Hello everyone, today's video has us looking at a 2024 Mazda CX-5 in preferred trim. So look at this gorgeous paint that there's no extra charge for. Now we charge extra for the rhodium white, the soul red crystal metallic, but not for this gorgeous, mature and clean looking platinum quartz metallic. Let's take a look. And don't forget, you can play USB with video on it from your Mazda Connect system. It's a very cool feature with the Mazda Connect system. And a quick note that the higher trim levels will actually have the USB-C connection, like the Carbon Edition. That's a USB-C connection, but they are illuminated now, which they weren't before. So that's very cool. So most important notable features of the preferred trim would be, if you like the convenience of having access to a power tailgate, that would be a feature included in preferred trim, as well as the moonroof. People still love the sight and the ventilation offered in the moonroof. And then the leather seats, the dual power seats for front driver and passenger, and the memory functions and being able to record 2 different positions for your memory seat, as well as your auto dimming mirror with HomeLink. So it'll automatically dim at nighttime, so it won't affect your eyes so much when you're driving with bright lights behind you. And then you also have the HomeLink feature, programming your garage door opener or other home features that you might have. And to speak of those memory seats, there are additional functions that you can utilize within your Mazda CX-5. One, to program the keys to automatically go to your position that you've saved with just hitting the unlock button. So upon unlocking the vehicle and opening the door, your seat will be moving to your preferred and saved position. And the Mazda CX-5 will offer you the most engaging drive throughout the compact SUV segment. Throw it into a turn, downshift with a 6-speed automatic. It's such a great drive, great suspension, great feel, fully independent suspension all the way around. So if you haven't test driven a Mazda, I know most of you love Mazdas and that's why you watch this channel, but if you haven't yet, take a drive and see the best in the SUV segment for value. I thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Safe travels to you and your family, and I'll see you in the next video.